Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your environment settings on your CHiQ TV from shop to normal home. So to do this you'll need to press the home button on your Pilot. It's located right here. It's this little home icon. So you're gonna press it, and in the top right corner you can see the little cog icon. So we're gonna press on that as well. And then just go to your system. Environment down here, it's at the most bottom right here. You're gonna press on that, and here you can change from shop to home. And what it does is just changes the presentation of your TV. So if you find the problem that you've got it set on shop, you can change it to home. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.